In this video, you are going to see how to create the drop down in Microsoft Excel, as you can see here. Let's get started. We can use a long drop down or you can use a short drop down. Suppose I want to apply the drop down over here, yes and no. Select the cell where I want to apply the drop down. Go to data validation, click on data validation. Under the allow tab, select list, and in the source tab, let me write here yes, no, and hit OK. Then you will see I have made the drop down over here, yes and no. If I want to apply a long drop down like this, suppose I want to apply over here, select the cell, go to data validation, click on data validation, allow, go to any value to list, select the source, and I have written some department name in another sheet over here in the list, and select this particular area and click on OK. Now here you will see this is also perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.